Hello, everyone. My name is Eric Wilburn. I am a professional musician and business owner of an entertainment company called Lights Out Production Company, as well as a doctoral student at Sam Houston State University. I have had the honor of producing and improving many instructional products utilized for event execution in the entertainment industry. I have worked alongside various marketing companies and over the years have amplified marketing strategies and efforts to strengthen various corporate brands such as Family Dollar, Walmart, the Kroger Company, and many, many more. The primary goal for the use of this application, the Ultimate Event Planner, is to give users the ability and knowledge to produce a satisfactory event outcome. Users engage with the app and can obtain information such as detailed setup, execution, loadout duties, as well as additional tasks. Users also have the opportunity to engage in live training sessions and tutorials through the app. Users can also experience other app privileges such as live chat, email communication in real time. Users can also voice their experience through a written survey located in the app platform and can inform others of the highlights and outcomes of various events. The data can also be used with analytics and tracking and is AI assisted. With this being said, I am proud to announce the introduction of the Ultimate Event Planner app as it was designed to aid contracted vendors, various team members of the Lights Out Production Company and RSM Company teams as district managers store grand opening events. This app streamlines a platform that can allow these users to obtain the information that they need while engaged in remote event production. And this also in turn downscales the need for constant and overwhelming remote instruction from Lights Out Production Company and the RSM Company as well. In this mobile app presentation, we will encounter various information regarding a design perspective, the problem at hand, a solution, marketing and budgeting, our competition, expected app benefits, empirical support that reinforces the information, as well as some closing thoughts. I would like to introduce to you a design perspective that will guide you in understanding the design thinking in this app. As previously mentioned, the Ultimate Event Planner app is based on an app that is currently used in the entertainment industry called Gig Builder. The Ultimate Event Planner app utilizes a similarly user interface and login. The users can access the store number, training sessions, and tutorials, event time data such as preparation and load in, execution and termination times, and the users can also access detailed task information like event outcome surveys and data regarding job efficiency. All of this data is available in real time and is held in retention of the app for future event modality and production. Users may also interact within the confines of the app, utilizing communication efforts such as live chat and email. All information and cloud storage made available to users is based off a client server. In this slide, I have included a bird's eye view of user access and interaction within the app. Prior to the use of the Ultimate Event Planner app, district managers, team members, as well as myself, have been made aware of multiple problems regarding satisfactory event production. I had previously pondered some of these problems, such as an average time allocated to a store grand opening event on behalf of a vendor is 4 to 6 hours. For example, this means that the grand opening event is 3 hours in duration, but has some other time involved, such as travel, load in preparation, execution, termination, and load out time. Vendors spend on average 3 hours executing the actual event, while they spend 1 to 3 hours for loading, preparation, and termination. In addition to all of the timing constraints, there were issues regarding vendor training and instruction, and these contracted vendors work remotely in all areas of the United States as well as Canada from a centralized instructional hub or team. This context or setting invited many problems resulting in poor job efficiency. These problems, as well as other problems such as communication barriers, proper instruction, benchmark results, and data retention, as well as poor interaction, led to the development of this app. I would like to make it known to our investors that the Ultimate Event Planner app possesses a solution to a multitude of problems previously mentioned. The design and development of this application assists district managers, vendors, and the RSM, as well as the Lights Out production company teams, in giving a reliable event time allocation sum for the grand opening event. The Gig Builder app previously mentioned maintains a wealth of client, vendor, and event information and allows some input for time constraints. The creation of this app addresses other contracted vendor issues, such as underlying behavioral, mathematical, or cognitive constraints that exist throughout the event process. The app does this by mandating expected punctuality and offering training. The app also instructs, trains, and tests for competencies in other areas, such as reliability, communication, expertise, personalization, attention to detail, and flexibility, among others. These competencies are addressed within the training hub, communication tasks, performance event survey, job efficiency, and recorded analytics within the confines of the app. In the development of these existential threats and findings, the developer created the app in lieu of the existing PDF event playbook. This clarified some information that the existing playbook had, and users can access the app to gain on-demand crucial event timeline information to aid them in their preparation and execution of a successful event. I would also like to speak about the database design incorporated into the app. The database design harnesses functions of a user interface which contains certain tables that possess store information, future event modality, a quantity of expected or anticipated events that are directly relayed from the district manager within corporate. The database design also possesses a quantity of tasks associated with the event and their description. The database design also houses a reported job efficiency and event outcome data. It also contains event for allocating training or instruction time and hours. The training is available instructional PDFs or live training tutorials. Live training sessions are also available within the app. The database design also maintains personnel records, such as their respective status or availability, event timeline information, and has execution and termination event information. It involves a name regarding an array type. If the information is a name, it can be adjusted. Then it is a Boolean type. If the information is numerical in value, then it is entered as a number, for example, 60 minutes or 2 hours. My data flow diagram illustrates how information flows or is transmitted and received or stored in the client server model of the application personnel, such as vendors, managers, and team members, can have interaction within confines of the app, allowing them to train, communicate, record data, or adhere to task description or event timeline information. Marketing and budgeting. The previously mentioned and currently used Gig Builder app already maintains a solidified marketing and budget base. Gig Builder is available in all 50 states. Since 1996, 32,000 gig builder systems have been created, making it the world's most popular event management system for DJs, photographers, videographers, and many other vendors. You can select a city and state to see a sampling of current clients. The estimated cost per user in Gig Builder is $99.95 per year. In the Ultimate Event Planner, we will have an identical pricing, marketing, and budget base, such as the Gig Builder app. Our competition. Compare our features to the competition, and you'll find that the previously mentioned app, Gig Builder, is not just the most powerful event manager, but the least expensive in cost. You can compare it to each product in the table below. Gig Builder is fully featured with no additional pricing required and comes free with a subscription to WeDJ.com, the Silver and Gold membership, which is $99.99 per year. The Inevitable Ultimate Event Planner will share the same competition. In closing, investors can now understand the Ultimate Event Planner app promises to aid contracted vendors, business teams, members, and district managers in preparing, executing, and terminating various store grand opening events. The app's expected benefits not only include event training hub, detailed task information, but it has communication and interaction as well as data retention that can be used for future event modality. Again, the app will follow a similar concept and design of the currently used Gig Builder app and will possess a similar architectural foundation, cloud storage, and security.